students and learners, now we are in the 8th week of this MOOC course on solid and hazardous waste management. In this week, we will be having a total of 4 modules. One module will be related with the legal framework related to biomedical waste management, and another 3 modules will be on the biological treatment of solid waste. The first module will be of this week on the biological waste management rules 2016. Second module will be on the composting of solid waste. Third module will be on the vermicomposting of solid waste, and fourth module will be on the biogas production from solid waste. In recent years, emphasis has been given on the use of biological methods for the recovery of resources from the waste. So, keeping this in view, these all modules have been kept here in one week. First module of this week, we will be studying the biomedical waste management and handling rules 2016. In this module, we will try to understand that what is the meaning of biomedical waste, what are the risks involved with biomedical waste, why it is important to deal with biomedical waste management, and we will discuss the salient features of biomedical waste management rules 2016. In the second module, that is module number 21, that is on composting of solid waste, we will study that what is composting, what are the properties of compost, what are the different phases during the composting process, and what are the steps that are carried out during composting. We will also study the optimum conditions that are required for good composting, because composting is a biological process and we are supposed to maintain certain conditions for the proper growth and development of the microorganisms. Then we will study different composting technologies, and finally we will study technological options of composting in rural areas of India. Third module of this week, that is module 22, is on vermicomposting. You know, in case of vermicomposting, earthworms are used for the treatment of solid waste. So, in this module, we will learn that what is vermicomposting, what are the benefits of vermicomposting, what are different type of earthworms that are used for the purpose of vermicomposting. Then we will study in detail about the process of vermicomposting, and then we will study essential conditions for vermicomposting, and in last we will study about nutritive value of the vermicompost. The fourth module, that is module 23, we will study about biogas production from solid waste. In this module, we shall be learning about process of biogas generation, different types of biogas plants used for biogas generation. Then we will study factors influencing biogas generation. In end, we will look upon merits and demerits of biogas technology. I hope you will enjoy these modules. Thank you.